Psychological research tells us that we should split our revision into 90-minute sections. So there's something called the BRAC, which stands for Basic Rest Activity Cycle. And that's a biological rhythm within our bodies. It's actually called an ultradian rhythm, if you're an A2 psychology student. And it means that we can concentrate for about 90 minutes and then we need a break. Some people, when they're revising for exams, they tend to sit there and cram for hours and hours, but that's not effective. That won't help you get the information into your head. You need to take breaks. So the psychological research says, there was a study done on violinists who are really good at playing the violin, and they split their practice sessions into 90-minute sections throughout the day. And then the ones who took a nap or regular naps were the ones who became even better than their teachers. I love this. I love the fact psychology is telling you to take naps in order to consolidate your knowledge. There's obviously something magical that happens when you're asleep, so take advantage of it. So if I was going to structure my day, if I had a day where I knew I was going to do revision, then I would start at 9, do an hour and a half, do the 90 minutes until 10:30, take a break till 11, then do 11 till 12:30, then have lunch, then have a nap, and I would set an alarm as well for only half an hour. Don't sleep for a long time because you'll feel dreadful. And then in the afternoon, I would do another hour and a half. Then I would have quite a long break and then start again after I'd had my evening meal and then do another hour and a half. That means I've done 6 hours revision in that day, but it's all split up throughout the day and you've had that power nap in the middle that will help consolidate your knowledge. So the other thing about that is that in the morning I would do something called revision in, and that means activities that will get the knowledge into your head. So you would do things like look over your notes, make mind maps, copy out your notes maybe. All of that is really helpful, and that's helpful for getting the knowledge in, the revision into your head, but it won't get you to pass exams. The way to pass exams in the afternoon, I would do revision out, and that means revision is coming out of your brain onto exam papers. So the way to do revision out is to do the stuff that makes your brain ache. The stuff like the past papers, marking your own past papers, marking your friends' past papers, doing all the like really hard can you questions in the textbooks, doing exam style stuff that will help you get the revision out. So there's absolutely no point just making flashcards because that won't get you to really do well in the exam. If you want to do well, you do revision in the morning and then you do revision out in the afternoon.